This is a dictation about a trip to the zoo, read at 21 words per minute. Are you ready? Let's go. On Sunday, our family went on a trip to the zoo. It was a warm, sunny day, and we saw lots of very interesting animals. My favorite animal was the red panda, and we all enjoyed watching the lions being fed. After visiting the elephants, I had an ice cream in a cone covered with chocolate sauce. It was delicious. On the way out, we visited the gift shop, and I bought a toy penguin for my son. We all had such a lovely day, and on the way home, we stopped to buy fish and chips for R. Thinner. That is the end of the dictation. You can read back what you have written and compare it to the text on the screen. How did you do?